how to review games. If we click view, then we have games, and I don't have any, but there are people who do. So let's look at that. Games, see, there's a bunch of games to look at. Then right click, load in English game, for example. Then we can see a game. We can look through it. We can open it offline, which makes it a little quicker apparently. Alright, let's look at some other people's profiles. We can see this person is playing a game. It's in bold. So we can click on it. Then it's open. We can see an ongoing game. These are already finished. And this one is not finished, but none of the players are in. So, yeah. If the teacher opens a game and you can't find it easily, then you can click on the teacher's profile, view, then in games, the open game will be bolded. So we can just click and get to the game. Sometimes you can see people's profiles having a dash. So how do we do that? See? Here. If you unclick it, then it's a dash. Then okay. Ta-da! If you want our rank be seen again, then we just click it, then here you go.